Hello students, welcome to e-learning platform of Dr. Bapuji Solanki Institute of Engineering and Technology's Mechanical Engineering Department. In last sessions we have started our third unit, that is fluid flow through pipes. In that previously we have already discussed the major losses when the fluid is flowing through the pipe, and also we have started our first two minor losses, that is loss of head due to sudden enlargement and loss of head due to sudden contraction in the pipe. So let's start with our next minor loss, that is loss of head at the entrance of a pipe. So this is a loss of energy which occurs when a liquid enters a pipe which is connected to a large tank or reservoir. So हा लॉस कधी अकर होतो, जेव्हा लिक्विड जे आहे ते पाईपमधून एखाद्या टँकमध्ये एंटर होतं, त्यावेळी हा लॉस ऑकर होतो. सो धिस लॉस इज सिमिलर टू द लॉस ऑफ एअर ड्यू टू सडन कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन. सो जसा सडन कॉन्ट्रॅक्शनचा लॉस असतो तसा सेम लॉस हा ॲट द एंट्रन्स ऑफ द पाईप ऑकर होतो. So this loss depends upon the form of entrance. Okay, in actual practice the value of loss of head at the entrance of the pipe is calculated by using the equation 0.5 v square upon 2g, where this v is nothing but velocity of the liquid in the pipe. Next loss is the loss of head at the exit of the pipe. So this loss of head or energy is due to the velocity of the liquid at the outlet of the pipe, which is dissipated either in the form of free jet or it is lost in the tank or reservoir. So this loss is equal to the v square by 2g, where v is velocity of the liquid at the outlet of the pipe. So generally this loss is denoted by HO. Okay, and the equation is v square by 2g. Next is loss of head due to obstruction in a pipe. So whenever there is an obstruction, जेव्हा fluid flow मध्ये एखादा obstruction असतो, so the loss of energy takes place due to reduction of area of the cross section of the pipe at the place where the obstruction is present. So ज्या ठिकाणी तो obstruction असतो, तर तो obstruction म्हणजेच काय की तो फ्लो एरिया रिड्यूस करतो, आणि त्या रिड्यूस्ड फ्लो एरियामुळंच हा लॉस ऑकर होतो. So there is a sudden enlargement of the area of the flow beyond the obstruction due to which loss of head takes place. So जिथं ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन असतो आणि त्या ऑब्स्ट्रक्शनवरून ज्यावेळी फ्लुइड फ्लो होतो, तर तो फ्लो हा कशाशी सिमिलर असतो, तर तो सेम की लॉस ऑफ हेड ड्यू टू सडन एनलार्जमेंटमुळं जो लॉस होतो तशा पद्धतीचा लॉस हा ऑब्स्ट्रक्शनमुळं होतो. सो या केसमध्ये हा ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन लॉस ऑफ एअर ड्यू टू सडन ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन हा कसा कॅल्क्युलेट केला जातो, तर युझिंग द इक्वेशन व्ही स्क्वेअर अपॉन 2g इंटू ब्रॅकेट कॅपिटल ए अपॉन cc इंटू ब्रॅकेट कॅपिटल ए मायनस स्मॉल ए मायनस 1 whole bracket square, where this v is nothing but velocity of the flow, cc is nothing but coefficient of contraction, capital A area of the main pipe, and small a is the area of the obstruction. Next is loss of head due to bend in a pipe. So when there is any bend in a pipe, the velocity of the flow changes, due to which separation of flow from the boundary and also formation of eddies takes place. Okay, सो आपल्याला माहिती आहे की ज्यावेळी वेलॉसिटी सडनली चेंज होते, जसं आपण लॉस ऑफ हेड ड्यू टू सडन एनलार्जमेंटमध्ये बघितलं की स्मॉल डायमीटरपासून ज्यावेळी लार्ज डायमीटरमध्ये क्रॉस सेक्शन चेंज होतो, त्या केसमध्ये फ्लुइड हा बाउंड्रीपासून सेपरेट होतो, आणि ज्यावेळी फ्लुइड बाउंड्रीपासून सेपरेट होतो तिथं एडीज फॉर्म होतात आणि त्या एडीजमुळं लॉस ऑफ हेड ऑकर होतो. ओके, सो दस द एनर्जी लॉस्ट ड्यू टू द bend in a pipe is expressed as, so it is denoted by hp, and the equation is k v square upon 2g, where this k is nothing but coefficient of bend, and the value of k depends upon angle of bend, radius of curvature, and diameter of the pipe. Okay, next is loss of head in various pipe fittings. So for various pipe fittings the value of loss of head is calculated by using the same equation. Again, k is equal to v square upon 2g, where this v is nothing but velocity of the flow and k is here the coefficient of pipe fittings. So these are all the minor losses which are occurred when the fluid is flowing through a pipe. Next is flow through pipes in series or flow through compound pipes. So what is pipes in series or compound pipes? So pipes in series or compound pipes are defined as the pipes of different lengths and different diameters connected end to end to form a pipeline as shown in figure. So series figure. So या फिगर मध्ये तीन पाइप्स यूज केलेले आहेत. फर्स्ट, second and third. First pipe is connected to the tank which is at A, and last pipe is connected to the tank which is at B. The head difference of A and B is capital H. Okay, so these three pipes are connected in such a way that is one pipe is connected to the other and the second pipe is connected to the third pipe in a series. So such a arrangement forms a compound pipe. Okay, so let L1, L2, L3 lengths of pipe 1, 2 and 3, D1, D2, D3 diameter of pipe 1, diameter of pipe 2 and diameter of pipe 3, V1, V2, V3 velocity of flow through the pipe 1, through the pipe 2 and through the pipe 3, F1, F2, F3 are the coefficient of frictions for pipe 1, 2 and 3, and as we have already discussed, that is H is difference of water level in the two tanks. As we know, the discharge is nothing but area multiplied by velocity. So by using the continuity equation, we can write Q is equal to A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2 is equal to A3 V3. The difference in the liquid surface is equal to the sum of the loss of heads in the pipes. So capital H is nothing but, so what are the different losses occurred in this case? That is, first was the loss of head at the entrance of the pipe. Then for pipe 1, loss of head, major loss, that is the loss of head due to friction. Then from 1 to 2, it is sudden contraction in the pipe. Next, again loss of head due to sudden friction, loss of head due to friction. And next 2 to 3, again it is sudden enlargement, so it is loss of head due to sudden enlargement, and again loss of head due to friction, and last one is the loss of head at the exit of the pipe. So we can write the equations for each loss. So we will get this equation as H. Okay, so you can see the equations in terms of the respective heads and velocities. Okay, so if minor losses are neglected, then the above equation becomes, so या केस मधून जर मी मायनर लॉसेस इग्नोर केले तर फक्त मेजर लॉसेस राहतील. सो मेजर लॉस साठी इक्वेशन काय होईल? H इज इक्वल टू 4f1 l1 v1 स्क्वेअर अपॉन 2g d1 प्लस 4f2 l2 v2 स्क्वेअर अपॉन 2g d2 प्लस 4f3 l3 v3 स्क्वेअर अपॉन 2g d3. Okay, if coefficient of friction is same for all the pipes, then f is equal to f1 is equal to f2 is equal to f3 is equal to f. Then upper equation becomes, final equation will be H is equal to 4f upon 2g into bracket L1 V1 square upon D1 plus L2 V2 square upon D2 plus L3 V3 square upon D3. So this is the equation of loss due to the when the pipes are connected in the series. So we stop here for today's session. If you have any doubt regarding to this session, you can always contact me. Thank you.